Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to add Evite to Google Calendar. So the first thing you have to do is to go to your home page here and click on this your profile picture here. Once you click on it, it should pop up, it should bring out a pop-up like this, and click on my invitations. Once you click on it, it should appear this way. Now scroll to the invitation you want to add to your Google Calendar. Click on manage events. Assuming is this, I will just click on manage events, and then I can just scroll down and take a look at it. Now the next option will be for me to um, click on this option here. Once I click on this option here, it shows event notification setting. Just click on it. It should take us to a page where we can edit and add it to our Google Calendar. Good. So it brings out a reminder button like this, and all you have to do is you can schedule 2 reminders, and that's it. But to add it to our calendar, you can click on it here, to our Google Calendar here. So we can click add to calendar, and it brings out 3 options: add to Google Calendar, add to Apple Calendar, add to Outlook calendar. So depending on the one you want, you can go for any of them and add to your calendar. So that is how to add an event to your Google Calendar on Evite. So if this video has been helpful, let me know in the comment section, and I will see you in the next one.